Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see, this is the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Here we've got also the list of most used apps. You can check how much specifically how much time you've used this particular app. You can also tap on this graph and you will be transferred to those dashboards where you can check the screen time in particular days, so you can compare them. You can also compare the notifications and the unlocks count. What is more, under it you've got some kind of modes which will allow you to set the timers. So basically to remove kind of the time you are spending on the apps. So that's really a nice option. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.